Next, we learn the DC double crochet hook method. Crochet 10 DC double crochet here. First, hook 2 SC single crochet. Then flip the fabric piece. We found the position of the first V. Crochet hook once. Insert the crochet hook into the V-shaped stitch. Winding. Bring the thread out of the needle. There are now 3 loops on the crochet hook. Then winding. Bring the wire out of the first 2 coils. At this point, there are 2 loops left on the crochet hook. Winding. Pass through both coils at the same time. A DC double crochet is completed. Then we are at the position of the V letter. Marker buckle. Crochet winding. Find the V needle position. Winding brings the thread out of the needle. There are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Winding. Bring the wire out of the first 2 coils. Winding. Bring out all coils. The second DC double crochet is completed. Find the needle location. Winding. Hook the thread out of the needle. There are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Winding brings the wire out of the first 2 coils. There are now 2 loops on the crochet hook. Winding. Bring out both coils at the same time. The third DC double crochet is completed. Next, use the same method to crochet long stitches. Ten DC double crochet completed. We can check the number of stitches based on the V on the side.